So you're going on an out-of-town gig that will require you to sleep there overnight. Who's most likely to forget their toothbrush?
Anton.
Based on
Toothpaste
actual
sure.
data.
Parang si Anton nga.
Para si Anton.
I've never left my toothbrush in any of our out-of-town trips.
Just the toothpaste. You always forget your toothpaste.
Yeah, but that's not the question, diba?
Who's most likely nga eh, diba? There.
Parang minamanifest nila that you'll forget it next time. Second one, who's most likely to go home first on a night out?
Buizon.
Reason.
Me, probably me. Everyone agrees that it's me.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I think it's ano din. It's not because I want to go. No, yeah, it's not because I want to go home. It's because I need to go home. Because sorry, magkukwento ako ng onte. When there was this one time where we had gigs na sunod, and I would stay out, and I lost my voice. So after that, I was like, shucks, I gotta start taking care of my voice more. Like now, pumiyok ako. But then yeah, so I don't really stay out too late anymore. I have to go home and rest.
Parang you're learning your lesson na.
Yeah, I had to learn my lesson the hard way.
Okay. So ito, who's most likely to become a professional chef in the future?
Ooh, Anton.
Oh.
Anton's. Yeah, Anton cooks. He's the one when we record in Baguio. Anton's the one that cooks. He makes a mean bulalo. Yeah, pretty.
Ooh.
Sinigang.
Yeah,
Think
Jordan.
of steak.
I make steak, but not bulalo.
Oh, that's so interesting. So many cooks pala in the band.
Yeah.
So next time kung makalimutan niya toothbrush niya, he can just give you food in exchange
Sure,
for that.
sure.
No?
You can
Yeah.
you can give me bulalo. You can use my toothbrush.
After you eat the bulalo ba?
This one, who's most likely to star a leading role in a horror movie?
Horror.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Why?
I don't know.
Say it again, because no one heard you.
Feeling ko si Janessa. Kasi, I don't know.
Am
Feeling
I
ko
the killer
survivor
or
yun
am
eh,
I the survivor?
As a killer. Si Lua kasi parang comedy yung bagay sa kanya.
Sabi ka naman, seryoso naman akong tao.
Comedy mo.
Comedy horror naman.
Oh,
Kasi
horror
sa
comedy.
Philippines eh.
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman. Ikaw,
I'd say Lua.
for horror.
Kasi mas pag horror kasi dapat funny eh. So, mas Lua ang branding.
Labo.
Funny na horror.
Comedy
Ganun,
horror.
ganun,
Comedy
ganun.
horror.
Pang paano? To lessen the...
Yung comic relief na mga
Comic
matay
relief.
bandang dulo. Para mas may ma-attach ka sa kanya kasi, di ba, nakakatawa siya.
Tapos
Oo.
mamamatay ka lang sa
Oo.
dulo. Nice.
Yeah, okay. Ito, who's most likely to win a rap battle?
Battle.
The flip top.
I'm gonna say Weasel.
Si Wilson, nag-rap yan eh.
Let's go. I rap. I'm a rapper kasi.
Di nyo lang
Makapasample ka tuloy yan.
Masample naman po. Joke.
No, just because I'm the vocalist, I guess I win that by default.
Baka your next drop may rap verse na yun.
Who knows? Maybe.
Who knows?
Who knows?
This one, okay. Somebody in the band ends up needing a band-aid or whatever kind of medicine. Who's most likely to have what they need?
Ooh.
Yung
If some-
pinaka-responsible sa ano.
Pinaka-responsible sa atin.
Wala.
Wala. Parang pag band-aid specifically, parang nobody.
Pag diet
Pag diet
ako.
ikaw.
Yeah.
Pag antihistamine kami ni
Sino ba?
Janessa.
Yan, tama.
Wala akong meds eh.
Pag Kreml S ako.
Okay.
Depende na.
Sige, I'll take
I think
it.
we agree
Pag
that
may
we're
diatabs.
not so responsible in terms of band-aids. Yeah. Ano ba?
That's okay. You can improvise naman.
That's
At
true.
least may diatabs, di ba?
Oo nga. And citizen.
So last one. You're really hungry after a late night gig. And when your food finally comes, it falls on the floor face down. Parang plato ng pansit kanton nahulog ng ganun sa ano. Who's most likely to still eat it off the floor?
Lahat kami. Uy, ba't ako lang? Akala ko
Pero
may
ba, likely lahat kami willing.
Actually, parang hindi naman kayo maarte.
Ako, based on what I've observed, si Jorik.
They do that too, man. They do that too.
Yeah, lahat. Ganyan talaga pag galing India.
Wala na. I have to be careful kasi.
Sige.
Kasi baka I get a virus if I eat it from the floor.
Pero I respect it. At least, yeah.